Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2005 Nissan X Trail Luxury, stock reference number 5098. This shape runs from the 10th month 2001 through to the 9th month 2007. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, Aftermarket TAG tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has two small dents and a light fold on the rear edge, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and a factory roof mount DVD player. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.